Alam mo yung pinakamasakit na pwede mong maramdaman? Yung minamahal mo yung tao na hindi naman talaga para sa'yo, pero pinipilit mo. Pag-usapan natin yan, okay? Tara, let's start. Ito yung klaseng tao na may dahilan ka everyday para umiyak, pero every night may dahilan ka rin para magstay. That's the dangerous kind of love. Kasi minsan, hindi ka naman talaga in love dun sa tao. In love ka sa potential nila. Na baka magbago, na baka one day, piliin ka na. Pero listen carefully, hindi lahat ng mahal mo dapat mong ipaglaban. May mga tao na lessons lang talaga, hindi pang lifetime. At alam mo ang pinakamatindi, the wrong person will make you question your worth, while the right person will make you feel safe without even asking. Pero dahil attached ka, tinatawag mong deep connection yung bare minimum. Tinatawag mong complicated yung disrespect. Tinatawag mong love yung pain na paulit-ulit ka nang sinisira. That's not love anymore. That's addiction to chaos. And the saddest part is that you can spend years loving someone who's not emotionally capable of loving you correctly. Kaya minsan, the most mature thing that you can do is to admit na mahal ko siya pero hindi siya tama para sa akin. Because love alone is not enough. Consistency matters. Respect matters. Peace matters. Kasi anong silbi ng mahal ka daw kung ikaw naman palaging nauubos? So stop forcing a forever with someone whom the universe clearly sent as a temporary lesson. Diba? This is your boy Pinoy Egoy with another semi-pogi mindset. Peace out.